how to change gamer tag on Xbox app. So if you want to change your gamer tag on your Xbox application, then first you need to open up your Xbox, wait for a few seconds, and make sure that you've logged into your account as well. Now you need to go with your profile, which will be in the top left. Once you tap on your profile, here you'll have your profile, right? You'll have edit gamer tag options. You need to just simply tap on it, click on it, and then type in your new desired gamer tag while checking for availability. Remember that your first change is free, but subsequent changes may require a small fee. Once you've entered a unique gamer tag, confirm your choice and then wait for the app to process the update. And you'll see your new gamer tag reflected across your Xbox consoles and your Xbox application as well. If you encounter any errors, make sure that your app is updated and your internet connection is stable as well. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.